Hi everyone. Is your Snapchat Bitmoji not showing, not updating, and not working properly? Don't worry, in this video, I will walk you through simple and effective ways to fix the Snapchat Bitmoji issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data, or turn on airplane mode on and off to refresh your internet. Step 2. Restart the Snapchat app. Close Snapchat completely and remove it from recent apps. Then open it again. This often fixes small Bitmoji glitches. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone. This refreshes system services and help Bitmoji load properly. Step 4. Make sure Bitmoji is linked. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon. Check if your Bitmoji is linked to your Snapchat account. If it's unlinked, connect it again. Step 5. Update Snapchat and Bitmoji app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and update Snapchat. If you use Bitmoji app separately, update and that as well. Outdated app can cause Bitmoji problem. Step 6. Clear Snapchat cache Android only. If you are using an Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data as it may log you out. Step 7. Turn off VPN or proxy. If you are using a proxy or VPN app, turn it off. Snapchat may have trouble loading Bitmoji while a VPN is active. Step 8. Log out and log back in. Log out of your Snapchat account, then log back in. This helps refresh bitmap scanning. Last option, reinstall Snapchat. If the problem is still continues, uninstall Snapchat and reinstall it from the official App Store. Log in again and check your Bitmoji. Important tips: avoid using third-party Snapchat or Bitmoji app. Keep your phone software updated. Bitmoji changes may take a few minutes to scan, and that's it. These steps should fix the Snapchat Bitmoji not working issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Snapchat and teach fixes.